Alright, gentle people, Lucy Design and Construction is here again. So today we want to talk about the procedure after you do your electricals, wire your building and all of that, and get your inspection certificate, compliance certificate, same as inspection certificate. What are the requirements to apply for your utility account with JPS, Jamaica Public Service? So this information is for all my Jamaicans that go in and do an electrical upgrade to get a 220 to their house or a fresh wiring. Alright, so here we go. So after you wired your house, do all the electrical work, then if you know an electrical inspector, then you can go ahead and get in contact with them, or you can go on the inspection portal and you can request an inspector from right there, or you can request a licensed electrician as well from right there. However, after you request an inspector, the inspector come and he observe the work, the project, and he do all his necessary tests to ensure that the building is electrical and mechanically sound. Alright, test for earthing, proper earthing, test for resistance, test for proper material use, like example your bathroom, ensure that the plugs that inside of your bathroom are GFCI. Alright, ensure that your light receptacle in your bathroom is shorted. Check to see that the plugs in your kitchen, once it's within 5 feet within water area, it has to be a GFCI. Alright, and we recommend that we put our kitchen circuit on 4mm wires. Alright, then once all of that is been safe and sound electrically by your inspector, then your inspection certificate, which is going to be this certificate. You will obtain 2 certificates from, let me show you. So this is my inspection catalog, alright, for all the inspection that I have done. Alright, Lucy Design and Construction I've done. Alright, whenever your place is the inspector done, he will issue you with, after the licensed electrician complete the task, he will issue you a certificate known as a work completion certificate. Alright, and then he will upload the drawing, the electrical drawing, and the portal, and then a request will come back from GER, and then we choose our inspector. Right, so if you choose, let's say you choose me as your inspector, a request will come on my phone and I will accept the request. I will look at the electrical drawing to ensure that yes, everything is okay. I will schedule an inspection date, and I'll go on site as the inspector, and I will go and make sure that what is on the drawing, it is corresponding with what I'm seeing in real life time. If everything is okay, then I issue you this piece of document known as a compliance certificate. You see the Jamaican coat of arms on it. and the GR logo. All right. Now, this piece of document is what you use to apply for your utility from the power company JPS. All right. So there is your certificate number at the top. You can see. Can you see? Can you see this here? Certificate number. That is what you're going to present to JPS for your application if you're not doing your application online. All right. If you're doing it online, that is the number that you put in your application when you're filling it out online. However, your necessary documents that is required of JPS is proof of ownership. And your proof of ownership can be a tax receipt or your land title. Alright? It must be in your name. If it's not in your name, anybody name that it is in, you have to get a letter from that person stating that they give you permission to request utility from the power company on their property. All right, but you still have to present the proof of ownership for that person. All right, next thing, you have to do an application letter requesting the service that you're requesting from the power company. All right, then you will provide your TRN and your ID. If you have a driver's license, then that work as well because it have on your TRN already. And you do the application and upload it on the portal, JPS portal, and then within 5 working business days, you'll get back a response from JPS to say that if they grant you or your application was completed or if it was incompleted. All right. After you get back that request stating that it was completed and all is well, if it's not completed, they will outline to you where did you go wrong, and you just address that and resubmit again. All right. If your application was reviewed successfully, then you have 5 business days for your utility to be connected. All right. After that, they will give you a call. The installation team will give you a call when they're coming to do your connection. Always ensure that when your electrician complete the work and the inspector come and check it and gone, if you're normally not at home, please not to leave power on the line. It will create a feedback if you don't properly do it, and then it will return voltage to the meter pole, where it will be very dangerous for the person that doing the connection. All right, so those are your process. For further information on how to apply online or stuff like that, or if you're interested in an inspector or somebody to apply for your utility, you can reach out to me. You can find me on Google Business, Lucid Design and Construction, and my number is there. You can call me and ask me any question about how to apply. So I wish you all your best on your next application to JPS.